Hi everyone, welcome to my shop update video. I'm going to be showing you how I prepare for a shop update, and this one is fairly small, but I am adding a lot of things on my store that I haven't had on there before, like a lot of prints from Patreon. And there's also going to be 3 new sticker designs. There's 4, but one of them is a freebie sticker. And there's going to be an acrylic charm of a little frog on a keychain. And I was able to make the keychain thanks to Faux, and they're actually sponsoring this video. And they sent me a sample pack of all their products, and I ordered a bunch of products with my own designs to test their quality, and I'll be telling you about that as well. So the first thing that I usually do if I want to have a shop update is I need to brainstorm ideas for designs, for stickers, and think about some of the artwork I've done in the past that I might want to make into a print, or any stickers that might go with prints. I also add some originals and try to think of new products to make, like this time the acrylic charm, something I've never tried before. Sometimes I like to branch out and try a product I've never done. And future updates past this one, I hope to have like tote bags and washi tape and lots of other things I've never really made before, which I think would be really fun. I'm actually in my new studio right now and it's coming together slowly. There'll be a studio tour video eventually. And the day you're watching this video is actually when my shop does update. So if there's anything that you like to get, you can go grab it now in my store. And I'll do another video in the future showing how I pack things, how I package stuff. So for now, we're gonna focus on brainstorming the designs, actually drawing the designs, ordering them, getting them manufactured, what I use, what my process is like for that, taking product photos, which is always the most challenging part for me, editing the photos, making the listings, updating my store, and actually launching it. So I hope you're excited for this video. I'm gonna try to document me getting this ready for the end of this week, because this is Monday and on Friday it will update. So thanks for watching this video. Now let's get on to the shop update prep. So right now I'm working on new sticker designs and also a charm design for my next shop update. And I wanted to show you like my idea process. Here's a bunch of the sketches I've been working on. I want to do some like cute little animal stickers, and I've thought of this like chicken bread sort of idea with like a chicken and some bread. And I want to do like a fox with a little hat and a cloak. And I have this frog star design. That's not the actual drawing, I have a different drawing. And I'm gonna make him an acrylic charm, and his like little keychain will be a star. I'm gonna be ordering all of these with Faux, so I'm trying out their service because they reached out to me, see if I wanted to try them out. So I usually just do a page of all these like little designs, and that's how I like to come up with ideas. And then I will take a picture of them and bring them into my iPad. So you just saw me do the design for one of the stickers, which was the chicken bread. I also did 2 other sticker designs on my iPad, and then I ordered them with Faux, and I also ordered them with Sticker App. And the ones that I'm selling are the Sticker App matte ones, but I might sell the more glossy Faux ones in the future as well. But here you see me unboxing everything. And at the top of the package were my acrylic charms, and I was really, really eager to look inside and see how they turned out because I've been waiting for them. Very excited to open them, and the stickers turned out great as well. They're just like very sturdy, shiny, pretty stickers. Highly recommend the quality. They have lots of other types of stickers as well. And the acrylic charm, really excited about it. Really excited to see the reception of this and to pack it up and send it out to people. So I wanted to open this box I got from Faux with you and show you what comes in their sample pack. And this is kind of helpful for me for the future in case I want to order more of their products, which I probably will because I really like the quality of their acrylic charms and they have so much customization available. Some of this came in my order, but some of this was in the sample pack. I can't remember which was which. But I want to check out these charms. Now, what is this one? That comes with a little bat keychain, which is pretty cute. And it gets super shiny. I'm not sure if this came in the sample pack or if it came when I ordered my own things, but this looks like a thick type of sticker. And a lot of the little baggies it comes with are like eco-friendly. Oh, here's one of those lollipop keychains. A wooden charm, which is something I've wanted to do for a while. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look up what this is. It's got a bow, and this is like a holographic. It looks like we got a bunch of sticker samples. They're matte sticker, another matte sticker. What's the difference? Mirrors or like rainbow stickers. These have hearts on them. These are the regular glossy ones that I got. Oh, these are different glossy ones. And these are, I think, these stickers. So these are clear stickers, that's why they look like different. I think these are the same type of charm I got for my frog ones. You still have to peel off the plastic layer, a little bunny clasp, very cool. And here's one of those acrylic standees. I think you gotta pop it off. In the little stand. Another acrylic charm that has like, it looks like it has epoxy resin on one side with like star glitter. Oh, they're sticky notes. They have like shapes you can do, like they have stars and other shapes. I also wanted to get washi tape made with them. Yeah, I mean, it's like regular washi tape. And it's like a little charm for someone's backpack or bag. And there's like little things in it. So you can actually get like custom shaped charms and make little things to go inside. And they shake around. Very cute. 2 different kinds of pillows you can make. It's just like print your design on a pillow. I think you have to stuff it yourself. Or is it a bag? I don't know what it is. I think they're pillows though, and this one is more like slippery fabric and this one's softer. I like this one better. So here's the entire sample pack from Faux, and I want to show you what I made with them as well, the products that I got made and how I designed them and how they turned out. These are how my charms arrived. They came in these little eco-friendly bags and they're all individually wrapped to protect them from getting scratched. And when you take it out of the bag, you have to peel off plastic coatings on either side. But this is what I got. It's a little frog. And he's got a clear stomach and a little star chain that matches the stomach as if he's like reaching up for the star. So he wants to put it back. And it's a little clasp you can put on bags and keychains and anything that this can go on. I think I ordered 40 or 50 of them. I also ordered some stickers. And a cool thing about Faux is you can actually just order like 10 stickers. And it doesn't cost like a whole bunch of extra money to get a small order. They have quite a small minimum order quantity, which was pretty cool, but I wanted to order a lot anyway. So I just got the regular shiny stickers and I think they look great. And I actually have one on my phone right here. And it's held up really great. This is the other design I got, but these are gonna be free with all orders until I run out. I think I have like 50 of them. And they're just like my little avatar guy. Also free with every print order will be these bookmarks. While quantities last, of course. So I was trying to figure out how to pack my acrylic charms, and I didn't want to waste the bags that they came with because they already come like pre-wrapped in an eco-friendly bag, but I wanted to make the packaging a little bit prettier, so I decided to make this little tag. This is frog keychain, and it explains peel the plastic layer off both sides before use. There's a protective plastic film on both sides of the acrylic charm, and I designed this on Procreate and I printed it out on my Cricut. And it just makes them look a little bit nicer, and I put it on all of them, so now if you order a charm, it's going to look a little bit cuter than just a bag. I don't want to put too much packaging into it because it's just going to be thrown out anyway, but if I were to sell these in person, I'd probably do something a little bit more fancy. So I wanted to show you all the things I'm adding to my shop. These are past Patreon prints. They're all 5x7 and they're never going to be printed again. I'm just selling the leftovers, and this one is 5x5 because it's a square. I actually really like this set. They're all being sold individually. There's not many of this one. I like them a lot. These are the new stickers. These are matte stickers. I don't know if I'm gonna sell the glossy ones yet from Vogue, but I'm selling these ones. And these are past Patreon stickers that I will also be selling in this update. And the acrylic charm, obviously, as I keep talking about. This sticker is glossy, and it's going to be a freebie in all orders that contain basically any order. While quantities last, these I don't have that many of them, and these will be free in every print order because you need a big enough envelope to fit the bookmark, because just sticker orders will not fit this. I'm adding some originals. So this is a pretty old painting I did of these little critters around some houses. It's pretty big. And here's a Patreon original and another Patreon original, a little fennec fox and a capybara. So these will also be listed, and I still need to measure those and list those. But yeah, here's everything in the update, plus all the other stuff I already have on my store. So I actually have to finish listing my products, and basically what I do, say I need a sticker, I will go to a sticker that is already live. I use Shopify, by the way. I'll go to a sticker that's already live and I'll press duplicate. And then that gives me a duplicate version of the product that comes with all the like tags and the classifications. It comes with the weight, the HS code, which is needed for customs. And it kind of just like duplicates like, okay, this is a sticker, and all the presets for stickers are there that I have set up for myself. And then I just need to change the name, the description, add photos, change the price, weigh it, and add the inventory. There's actually a lot to do when listing things. So I'll show you how I list something. Okay, you know what? The round bean frog, I'm gonna just delete this and I'm gonna make it from scratch to show you. So I'm gonna start with this cat chomp sticker that I have. I'm gonna press duplicate. I can rename it now, so bean frog sticker. I'm not gonna press images or inventory quantities, and make sure it's set as draft. Otherwise, people will be able to buy it. So all my new products always start as draft. So I usually do a little blurb here of what it actually is. A small round frog. Matte soft touch vinyl sticker, so I need to change the dimensions. So the bean frog is 2.1 by 1.9. So let's copy that. Paste it in. Durable and high quality, not weatherproof, but can withstand splashes of water. I have a lot of these stuck to my water bottle. I like to have multiple photos just to like show it from different angles, and I like to hold it in a photo to show like how big it is. But I'll probably put this one first. I'm actually pretty happy with how these photos came out. I took them on my new carpet and also in front of my plants. Track quantity, continue selling when out of stock. We're not gonna do that. Did I count these? I have spreadsheets for everything. Let's see. Okay, I have 76 of them apparently. So I did count them. So I like to put up about 90% of the stock I have. So 76, let's say, I'm just gonna put that I have 70 available. Let's actually put 69 just to give me a little bit of wiggle room. I'm gonna need to weigh it. And the HS code is 4911.91. For Canada, it's other printed matter, printed pictures and photographs, other pictures, designs, photographs. I figure that fits, pretty sure. So I'm actually editing my store right now. I had to close it down so I could change a bunch of things. And I always like to have a little slideshow at the front here to show all the new things I added. I added some little stars around this keychain. I think it looks really cute. A group photo of all the new stock I have, and a little slide explaining that you get a free bookmark and sticker with certain orders. I don't know if this is the prettiest slide, but it works for now. Showing all the prints I added. I just like to have a little gallery just to showcase things, and then I put my new stock at the top, so everything that's new from the update. And then I have a featured one where I kind of show like best-selling things or things that I want to highlight that I might want to get more sales on or I want to catch people's attention. And then I just have things organized by category, so I have pins and keychains, stickers, prints, originals, and that's basically it. And I also have like this navigation here where you can see everything. I also have a book. I should probably add the book to my print section. I feel like that might be helpful. I think everything is ready to go now. I might open it early for patrons and see how it goes. I'm not really sure yet. It's always very nerve-wracking to suddenly say, okay, everything is live, you can go buy stuff now, and then you're worried that there's some things that you set up incorrectly that you didn't catch. So it's kind of nice to open it up to patrons first and see how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I prepare for a shop update. Today's the day I'm gonna make it go live. Actually, there's a huge internet outage today, so we'll see how that goes. That'll be very interesting. At least I have data, but like there's no internet, which is quite annoying. But I hope you enjoyed seeing how I design things, order them, unbox them, get them ready to sell, some packaging that I made. I just kind of wanted to show you that whole process, and I'll probably do that for future updates as well that have things that are more involved, like enamel pins with backing cards and stuff like that. And the link to my shop will be in the description. Everything's available right now. You can go grab stuff if you want. I ship everywhere. I also am going to be showing how I pack orders in a future video. All the orders from this update, I'm going to be showing how I package them and like what I do depending on like the types of products people order, and how I make sure everything is secure and just my personal way of doing things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks to Vaugrace for sponsoring it and letting me try out some of their manufacturing services. I'm very pleased with the quality, and I'll probably use them for future products. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video.